We're gonna make some bruschetta. We're gonna make some savory and some sweet.
Okay.
And this is just another treat that you can do anytime with your family. Rhonda baked us a delicious loaf of bread and it looks amazing. So go ahead and we're gonna do 4 of them coated with butter and then 4 of them coated with olive oil with a little bit of spices in it. Any type of Italian spice, oregano, thyme.
They are all wonderful.
I mean, they all fit.
Yes.
I mean, you could even do mint, I probably wouldn't.
Ooh.
But basically any spice works in your olive oil, garlic, that would be amazing as well. And then we're gonna go ahead and roast these in the oven, kind of like a toast, and then we'll bring them out and show you how we're gonna top them.
And if you're using the same brush, it's good to do the butter first because that goes on the sweet and the herb base goes on the savory. So these look beautiful. We good?
All right, good. Done. So our bruschetta has been toasted and it's perfect. And so now I'm going to divvy up my yogurt. This is my freshly homemade yogurt that I make with raw milk. So you can see it does have a little bit of colors to it, and that's just the fat on it, which is the best tasting part of the yogurt. And I used it in my Danvier strainer, which means I took off the whey.
That's beautiful.
So I'm making basically my own cream cheese, and I'm controlling the ingredients, and I'm actually controlling the flavor. So there is some for you. Linda is going to make a savory mix, and Rhonda is going to make a sweet mix. So Linda's just going to add just an herbal blend. You can use any herbal blend that works for you, just like I told you with the olive oil dipping sauce. Whatever herbs work for you. Yes, you can have my Fisky. Thank you. And I would actually add a little bit of salt to that as well. So this salt is Redmond's, and I just discovered it. They have onion flavored and garlic flavored salt. This is so gonna elevate that whole flavor that you're mixing. And then Rhonda's taking the yogurt and adding in some fig peach jam to it. It's actually fig, I don't know if I can say this three times. Peach fig jam that I've made myself from our own fig tree when we had it. And she's gonna top the bruschetta with that. Then we're gonna top it with a little bit of some sliced figs and then drizzle it with some balsamic vinegar. And we are good to go. Would you like a spoon? Sure. Just spoon that on top. I'll get out of the two of you's way. Oh, yum.
This is delicious.
This makes a great starter too for you when you're having people over.
It whets their appetite for what they're going to.
All right, we're going to top a little bit of fig.
Good. And I'm doing some parsley. We do have some snips that work really well, and they just came out of the blue. That was wonderful.
And I'm going to drizzle a little bit of a balsamic vinegar.
And a little goes a long way, or a lot goes a long way too. It doesn't really matter what you do.
It's beautiful.
It's a gorgeous look.
Yes.
Can you do it again?
Let's see if I can. Yes, I can. This
Maybe
one
we could use a spoon in a bowl.
That would probably be much better. This one has a very big spout to the one I'm used to. That literally does give a little bit of a drizzle.
But there'll be some people that get that part that they're going to go, wow, that was exactly what I wanted.
And some people are going to be watching saying, oh, that's happened to me. I didn't think it ever happened to anybody on video.
So much better.
Oh,
now we're getting a beautiful drizzle.
Beautiful.
Rather than dousing it.
Well, those could be the dousers.
They could be.
You know, there's dousers in every crowd.
There is?
Well, dousers anyway. So.
All right, there we go. And this is why we're not doing 9 and 10. I make this one.
Yeah, just do 2. Just
Perfect. Yeah.
And there we have our bruschetta. It's going to be delicious.
Yes, it is.
It's going to have a lot of flavor.
a lot of flavor.
And our friends are going to love it.